Hey guys, today I'm starting my new series and I'm so excited. It's a Toy Story series, so I have 10 characters from Toy Story that I'm gonna do, and I'm wearing my Buzz top today. This wasn't even meant to be. I didn't even do it on purpose. I just love Toy Story a lot. I am Toy Story obsessed, okay? I have a shrine to Toy Story. Over there. Can you see it? Probably not. There. I love Toy Story. It was one of my favorite movies when I was a kid, and I still love it. And I just think Toy Story is honestly so cute, and I'm so obsessed, and I'm just so excited for this series. So, I've done what I. Oh my god! I said this series, and she thought I said Hey Siri, but anyway. So I've just done what I did with the Disney Princess series. I just wrote them all down with a number and then chose a random number generator. And today's number is 10, which is Bullseye. I'm really excited. This is probably going to be quite simple, but I'm going to explain to you my thoughts. He has two different colors of brown. He's got the light brown, and then his saddle and his hooves, how do you say it? Hooves, his feet, and his tail, and his mane and stuff, they're a darker brown. So I'm just gonna do a kind of reverse cut crease with just one solid brown. Then we're gonna do some brown liner, and he's got a little bit of gold from his I think I know what this are they called, stirrups, where you put your feet on his saddle. They're gold, so I'm gonna line it with a bit of gold, and then we're gonna write. Oh shit! Woo! I'll be back. I just sold some makeup and I totally forgot that they were coming over. Oh my god. But anyway, it's all good now. Okay, so I can't remember what I was up to, but yeah, I'm gonna line the gold of my eye, and then I think because he has Andy written on his feet, I think I might do Andy, if I can. Anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna prime my eyes with my P. Louise base. Okay, there we go. I think my favourite character, I used to love Woody, and I regret it now. You know that scene in Toy Story where, I can't remember her name, the one that, Jesse's kid or whatever, you know, when she changes and throws Jesse away and all that stuff. That's what I did, and I don't know why. I got rid of all of them that I had because I was nah, I'm too old now. And now that I'm 20, I'm why did I throw them away? But I feel I don't know. It's weird, how when you're kind of growing up, you think, oh, I'm too old for that stuff, and then it becomes cool again, or you kind of stop trying to be cool, and then you realize what you actually like, if you know what I mean. I don't know. There's a life lesson. Don't ever change for anyone. I feel it's one of those things. Everyone does it. I feel we all go through times where we kind of lose who we are and stuff. And I'm just so glad that I found myself again, because I just honestly could not care anymore what people say. And I know that that's cliche, but I think it's true, you know. I know what makes me happy, and I don't think I feel I'm so unapologetically myself, if you know what I mean. I'm if someone doesn't like something that I like, I'm okay, cool. Yeah. I don't know, that was a bit of a weird rant. I'm just, I don't know, it was weird, why have I ever stopped or got rid of all the things? I guess you just kind of grow out of things, but I wish I could get all my toys back that I had when I was younger. I wish I had my Littlest Pet Shops and my Bratz and stuff, because that's how I would spend my days. Is that weird? I don't know, I don't care. Alright, so I'm gonna take this shade called Sandy, which is this shade here. It's kind of a light tan kind of shade, and I feel that'll be perfect for what we're doing today. So I'm just gonna use that to map out where I want this to go. Ooh. That one's a lot higher. Okay, let me make a match. I feel this one's higher. Oh my god. What have I done? See, this is why drawing them on first is such a lifesaver. There's not going to be like much blending or anything to today's look because it's literally just going to be packing on that brown shade. I'm just taking Sandy and just putting it everywhere pretty much. I hate writing on my face because one, my handwriting is so bad, like, to start with, but then trying to write backwards and on my eye, it's not easy. I really want to update or like get a new editing program soon because I want to be able to start adding like pictures and stuff in and, you know, doing a bit more with my editing. I'm thinking either Final Cut Pro or Adobe, what's it called? Premiere Pro, I think. But I think what I'm gonna do is that might be like my 10,000 subscriber reward. So I might wait until I have 10,000 subscribers and then do that because I feel like that would be a nice prize. A nice reward. I'm pretty close to 30 now, which is 30 followers, 30,000 followers on my Instagram, which is like insane. My goal for the year is 50,000 and it seems like it's actually in sight now, you know what I mean? Which is just like crazy. Okay, I think this will do. I've obviously got to clean it up and everything. I'm gonna take a cotton tip. I cleaned my desk yesterday and it feels so good to actually be able to move, like, you know. Oh shit, I should have done that. I should have done the liner first. Oh well. Oh well. It happened, it's fine. Nothing I can do now. Okay. For liner, I'm going to take the Benefit Roller Liner. This is the brown shade. Okay, I feel like oh my god, I didn't even bring you guys in. What the hell? Today's just been a mess. What have I done? I just realized that I didn't even like zoom you guys in. I know I'm gonna watch that when I'm editing and be like, zoom them in. Okay. Alright, let's clean up the edge again. I feel like I'm all over the place today. And I need that to let go. I feel like they're just such different shapes, but anyway, there's like not much I can really do. Alright, anyway, now I'm gonna line this with the gold. This is just the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. This isn't as clean as I would like it to be, but... Okay, now I'm going to attempt to write Andy, which is going to be so hard. Unless I do have like little stickers that I could write it with. If that'd be too big. I don't know if it really fits the Toy Story theme. But it might be cute. I just have to try and figure out which way this goes. Alright, so I have to do the A here and then go along that way, I think. Oh god, okay. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it with not with the stickers. I'll do it with the brown eyeliner. So I'm just kind of gonna do this so it's easy to I don't know what way the end goes. Okay, so it'll be something like that. Let me just check I put that the right way. Okay. Let's start. This could be where I ruin the whole makeup look. Okay. Just gonna check I've got this right. From the camera, it just looks like absolute nonsense. Okay. Is that right? Why does it look so, like, not right? Oh, I think I did the Y the wrong way. Anyway. I feel like I need to make it a little bit clearer. Alright. I feel like that'll do. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera and put lashes on and stuff, do my face, and then I will be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I fixed up the Y a little bit, but I'm just gonna zoom in and show you how it looks. I think it's quite simple but quite cute. I feel like I really like it, and I'm really excited for this series, so you guys will have to let me know what you think of this series and what you think of this look and stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!